Here's a quick tutorial on how to change the VM options for IntelliJ IDEA, the Java IDE. You go to Help, then you go to Edit Custom VM Options, and it'll open this file, which is literally a file that's in your AppData roaming. It'll show up your username, AppData roaming, JetBrains, and then the version that you're using, and then it'll show up in here. So you're editing this file essentially. It's important to know where it is because if you enter some sort of command line argument, CLI or flag that's invalid, it won't even let you open IDEA. It'll just crash. So in that case, you would need to find this file, IDEA64 VM options, and then you would need to remove it, save it, then you could run IDEA again. So it's if you're playing around with it this way, it's very important to know where the file is actually located. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.